Hello, this is Matt DiVincenzo. My Unity ID is mjdivinc. I will be demonstrating code that provisions servers using DigitalOcean and Google Cloud. I'm going to start with DigitalOcean, and that code was set up in the provisions workshop. Here is a look at the DigitalOcean UI before creating a droplet. A droplet is used as a virtual machine. This is the code from the provisions workshop. This section is for creating a droplet. Before creating a droplet, I have to set my API token that was created in the DigitalOcean account setup. This shows that I created one 3 days ago. I have to set that token using this command. I'll do that off screen so that I don't show my token. Now that I've set my token, I'll uncomment this line of code that'll create the droplet when I run the program. When I run the code, it returns a droplet ID, and I can go to DigitalOcean and see the droplet created. And there it is being created. We use this droplet ID for the next part of the workshop. I paste the droplet ID into this variable. I don't want to create the droplet anymore, so I commented it out. Now I just want to get the droplet info, which will return the IP address. So I run the code again, and that returns the IP address. Now that I have the IP address, I can use it to SSH into the server with this command. I had to enter my password, and then I was taken into the server. That's the end of the DigitalOcean part of the demonstration. I moved on to Google Cloud, and here is the home screen. I used it to set up the next server, and it seems like a great choice for what we were trying to do. I received $300 of credit just for signing up. I have my project selected up here, and then I go into the Compute Engines section. This is where the VMs are stored. It's empty because I haven't created one yet. Here's my code for Google Cloud. It uses a Node.js framework. Google has you create credentials in a JSON file when you set up your account, rather than using a token. I provide the file as my authorization when I create a compute engine. I also choose a zone, in this case US East 1C, and use it to create a VM. I await the creation of the VM, and then use it to get its metadata. This is used to access the external IP address with this line of code. When I run the code, the IP address will be returned and the VM will be created. There's the IP address returned. The name of the VM should be this right here, mjdivinc Ubuntu. There's the rest of the code. When I go into Google Cloud now, I should be able to see the VM. There's the VM. I can actually SSH into it straight from here, but I'll also do it from the command line as well. So that takes a bit, but I'm into the server now. Now I'll go back to the command line and do it there. Now I'm going to SSH into the Google Cloud server from the command line. I'm going to use this gcloud command to do that, using my project ID and my zone and the name of my VM. This is the first time I've done this, so asks me to create a SSH key for the project. And now I've made it into the server. So that's the end of the Google Cloud demonstration and the demonstration overall.